Hello and welcome to How to Play Pit, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Pit. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with 3 to 8 players. To play, you will need a Pit deck of cards that includes 9 cards of 8 different commodities. The amount of players in the game will equal the number of commodities you will use. This video will show 4 players playing, so 4 commodity sets will be used. The Pit corner board is placed in the middle of the players. Shuffle the commodity cards together and deal 9 cards to each player, 1 card at a time. The object of the game is to be the first player to corner the market in a single commodity. This is done by getting all 9 cards of a single commodity and playing them onto the Pit corner board in the middle. The game begins with the dealer announcing, "The exchange is open." Players can hold out 1 to 4 cards in the same commodity that they are looking to trade. If another player wants to trade the same amount of cards, the trade is made. Players can make as many trades as needed and do not take turns. Trades continue to take place until a player corners a market and wins by playing the 9 cards onto the Pit corner board. Here, player 2 is able to corner the market on rice and win this round. The player that wins the round is awarded the amount of points listed in the top corner of the commodity card. For rice, 60 points are awarded. The first player to reach an agreed upon amount, such as 500, wins the game. When making a trade, the cards being offered must be in the same commodity. Player 1 offers 2 cattle cards in this trade. It is okay to drop the amount of cards being traded to match another player's trade offer. Here, player 1 wants to trade 2 cards, but drops it to 1 card to make a trade with player 2. A variation of Pit can be played using 2 additional cards, the Bull card and the Bear card. This will cause 2 players in the game to have 10 cards instead of 9, and that is okay. The Bull card can be used as a wild card to complete a set of 9 commodities. The Bear card is a penalty. To win a round, a player with 10 cards can have 9 matching commodities with 1 discard, or 8 matching cards with the Bull wild card and 1 discard. A player with 9 cards can win with 8 matching cards and a Bull wild card, or as in the previous gameplay with 9 matching commodities. If a player matches 9 commodities plus has the Bull wild card, the score is doubled. Here, the winner would score 100 points instead of just 50 points. When the round has ended, the player holding the Bear card will get negative 20 points. A player holding the Bull card at the end of a round, when another player wins, will also get negative 20 points. That wraps up How to Play Pit. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and get more game tutorials by subscribing to our channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching!